Meet Schedule and Structure, an app aimed to help individuals with autism and/or ADHD with organizing, planning, and staying on task. Are you someone with ASD/ADHD, or do you work with someone who is on the spectrum? ASD and ADHD workers struggle with having anxiety, managing their emotions, and communicating thoughts to others. So you may be wondering, what does it look like for them in a working environment? How are these workers managing their day-to-day tasks in a working environment? Even though most of these people are provided training before they start working, they may have trouble performing specific tasks. Perhaps they don't like their task, but aren't able to clearly express themselves. They could also have anxiety while performing certain social tasks. This negatively affects their emotions and may cause them to be less productive while working. So how can we help these people succeed in the workplace? Don't worry, Schedule and Structure, our new workplace productivity app, is here to save the day. Workers and supervisors create separate accounts that are linked to each other through a personal code. After accounts are linked, supervisors would be able to closely communicate with their workers through our chat function. The supervisors would also be able to look at how their workers are feeling about certain tasks by looking at the mood tracker that workers would fill out after completing each of their tasks. Schedule and Structure then provides supervisors with insights on future work assignments to set for individual workers with the AI functionality. The AI is able to suggest tasks for the supervisors to assign to individuals based on their profile and mood tracker results. The AI would also notify the supervisor if the worker requires any assistance in managing their workload. Finally, the AI would generate encouragement quotes to workers after they complete their tasks to foster positive reinforcement. Schedule and Structure aims to make the workplace enjoyable for ASD and ADHD workers by helping these workers balance their workload and increase their productivity. Main features of our app is the calendar that will be used to schedule tasks for workers. On the worker side, they can list both their completed and upcoming tasks, as well as add new tasks. While a supervisor can do both of these things, as well as have access to an AI that could suggest any new tasks for workers, and the supervisor could also view the individual calendar of any of their workers. In addition, we have a two-way notification system within the calendar so that the worker and the supervisor would be notified when any changes are made to the worker schedules. The worker schedule will have an additional notification system that reminds them about upcoming tasks. Another main feature of this app is the worker mood tracker. The worker will keep a mood tracker that will record their mood after they complete a task. Their mood will be based on one of the 7 principal emotions, and this data can be viewed as either a list or a graph. In the background, the AI will be using the results of the mood tracker and the worker's profile to suggest upcoming tasks and manage mood profiles for individual workers. The final main feature of our app is a chat system. This chat system is an easy-to-access space for workers to talk to their supervisors or vice versa. To make the chat intuitive, the chat system will be similar to any of the other chats that are on the market. The main difference is that it's integrated into our AI. Our app will also allow for users to have custom profiles. Both workers and supervisors would have a profile page with their personal information, along with info about other accounts that are linked with theirs, such as coworkers. This app was built with ease of use in mind. In our application, you can easily navigate through the calendar, mood tracker, chat, and profile using the bottom navigation bar. This app will be available on both iOS and Android. So if you're in a workplace that needs help with unlocking the full potential of your employees on the spectrum, you should try using Schedule and Structure.